Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Telegram. Unfortunately, this channel could not be displayed on our device problem in Telegram app. The error, unfortunately, this channel could not be displayed on our device in Telegram is not a connection problem. It is mainly due to connect restriction, sensitive content filtering, especially on Android and iOS device. Let's see how to fix. Unfortunately, this device could not display on our device problem solve. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Telegram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Go to Search. Search Telegram app. Update your Telegram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and simply open it. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. Your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection is properly connected. Make sure it is stable connection. Again open your Telegram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Telegram. Unfortunately, this channel could not be displayed on our device problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.